नमस्कार, आपका स्वागत है रेडियो द्वारका भक्ति में। महाकुंभ 2025 में इस्कॉन और अडानी के द्वारा महाप्रसाद वितरण सेवा जो की जा रही है उसकी चर्चा हर तरफ है। इस सेवा के दौरान वहां पर आध्यात्मिक ग्रंथ भी वितरण किए जा रहे हैं और साथ साथ हरि नाम कीर्तन भी हो रहा है। आइए आपको लेके चलते हैं बली मुरारी प्रभु के पास।
Hare Krishna. ISKCON Adani has established a largest kitchen of Mahakumbh in just 10 days to serve Mahaprasadam to more than 3 lakh pilgrims every day. So it's a great initiative by ISKCON and Adani Group, by whose combined effort has created such a big kitchen in this Mahakumbh to serve, having the capacity of serving more than 3 lakh people every day, a full plate of Mahaprasadam. And apart from that, Ankit ji, who is with a gold medalist in MBA from from Nasimuns Institute of Management, has a crucial role in this biggest kitchen in whether it is risk management, the logistic management, planning, and entire flow of the operation that is being going on. So all these people who have come together for this kitchen, that is really extraordinary, and in fact the kind of taste, the kind of nutrition value that this kitchen has been providing, that is really exceptional. And you can see the different instrument has been used, different machines have been used to serve food, to serve so many people who are coming, and especially this kitchen focuses on this Khusro Park ground where so many pilgrims after taking Isnan would be waiting for the railway station, and there are lakhs and lakhs of pilgrims who would be waiting mainly during the Isnan days, and apart from that at different place pilgrims are coming. In fact, we have different locations where we are distributing Prasadam and Mahaprasadam on daily basis. So this kitchen is there for serving them, and especially in Khusro Bagh where there is holding capacity for lakhs of people every day. And you can see these are the boilers which are there in line for making rice, dal, sabji, and you can see here we are preparing this dal for more than 500. It is more than 500 liter dal has been prepared within 1 hour, and here you can see we have more than 6 boilers for making rice, and we can produce rice. 3 ml of rice each boiler machine can produce to 300 liter of rice can be produced by this machine, and you can see in one batch it can produce around 8,000 kg of rice. So this is the capacity of this machine, and this is breathing time, and it is for making dal, sabji. So we have sufficient setup for creating prasadam, producing prasadam for more than 3 lakh people every day. And apart from this setup, the modern we have equipments, and this is a traditional setup. We have these eco-friendly chulas are there, which are so wonderfully placed here with such a nice arrangement that there is least amount of smoke that is coming from this chulas. And this is a crane. We can see how this crane is capable of lifting this instrument, this different patilas from here. So we have different sections, roti making section, chapati making section. It can produce 8,000 chapati. This setup can produce 8,000 chapati in an hour. So this is our traditional cooking setup, preserve the taste, maintain the quality, and preserve the nutrition value as well. Grocery, because we had to prepare prashadam, Mahaprashadam for so many people. We are preparing Mahaprashadam. So for that we need a very good storage. So here we are having rice, dal, and basically those groceries are being stored here very nicely, and they are being labeled very properly. For example, here we are using rice, so we have labeled it as a rice section. If there is dal section, and for preparing everything we have been using this ghee, and all the groceries that we are using here are having a great, we have tested them in terms of their quality, in terms of their nutrition value, in terms of their taste as well. For example, this is Madhusudan ghee that we are using. We have been using from so many years in our normal kitchen, and this Mahakumbh especially we are using this ghee because we have tested this in terms of taste, in terms of quality, in terms of nutrition value, and apart from that some other ingredient, any ingredient we are using here, it has been tested, it has been used also in the past, and we have taken feedback from our devotees who have been taking Mahaprashadam as well. So they have passed the test, and therefore we are using all these different kind of our ingredients. So this is overall setup, and I'm quite sure you would be amazed by knowing the capacity, knowing the capability, and how we are trying our level best. So this is a great initiative by ISKCON and Adani Group to provide the Mahaprashadam with world-class taste and world-class quality, and especially in Khushro Bagh area where lakhs and lakhs of people would be holded before going further for their journey after taking Snan. So for them this facility would be a great boon in this Mahakumbh by ISKCON and Adani Group. So we are really grateful to Adani Group for their support, for their concern in terms of quality, in terms of taste, and in fact Shri Gautam Adani he himself came to our kitchen, he visited, and he inspired all of us, and we are really very much inspired by seeing how Adani Group is very much concerned about the taste, concerned about the quality, and how Mahaprasad is really amazing. So thank you so much. We would like to invite all of you in this Mahakumbh so that we can serve you Mahaprasadam with the best quality, with the best taste. So please do come and be the part of this Mahakumbh. Hare Krishna.
और अब आप देख सकते हैं कि सारा प्रसाद तैयार हो गया है और अब ये आगे डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन के लिए जाएगा। मैं स्वयं जब महाकुंभ में गया था तो सेक्टर 19 में जो इस्कॉन का स्थल है वहां पर जाकर मैंने स्वयं ये प्रसाद पाया था। अगर आप महाकुंभ में जा रहे हैं तो कहीं ना कहीं आपको अदानी और इस्कॉन के द्वारा ये जो प्रसाद सेवा की जा रही है ये आपको प्राप्त हो जाएगी मुफ्त।